November, Adda 247, most important questions 130 from 131. Who among the following has grabbed the 41st spot in 2020 list of Forbes 100 most powerful women in the world? The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister. 132. Who among the following has been elected as the World Squash Federation President? Zena Woolridge. 133. The International Golf Federation elected Annika Sorenstam as its new president effective January 1, 2021. In which of the following year golf became an Olympic sport again? Answer 2016. Who among the following has topped the list of Forbes 100 most powerful women in the world? Angela Merkel of Germany. 136. Name the scheme launched by the Government of India to improve the Wi-Fi availability in public spaces across India. PM Vani, WANI. Question 137. What is the projected GDP growth rate of India in the year 2020 as per the Asian Development Bank? -8%. Question 138. How much amount has been approved by the cabinet for the Atma Nirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana? Answer 22,810 crore. Question 139. Name the celebrity who has topped the 50 Asian celebrities in the world 2020 list of UK-based Eastern Eye newspaper. Answer Sonu Sood. Question 140. Which day is celebrated as the International Mountain Day? 11th December. 141. The Koilwar Bridge has been inaugurated in which state recently? Bihar. 142. The National Center of Divyang Empowerment NCDE has been launched by CRPF in Telangana state. 143. UNICEF Day is observed on December 11. 144. Ludovic Orban has recently resigned as the Prime Minister of Romania. 145. Which activity is the newest to be officially declared as the Olympic sports and is slated to debut in 2024 Paris Games? Breakdancing. 146. What is the theme of the International Mountain Day 2020? Mountain Biodiversity. 147. Who among the following has been awarded 2020 Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematician? Carolina Araujo. 148. Name the Indian athlete who recently was honored with Sports Person of the Year in female category by FICCI. Yelavenil Valarivan. 149. Indian athlete who recently was honored with Sports Person of the Year in male category by FICCI. Bajrang Punia. Which state has been honored with the best state promoting sports by FICCI? Madhya Pradesh. 151. Which of the following is the first union territory of India to be declared as 100% organic? Lakshadweep. 152. Who has been named the Time 2020 Person of the Year Award? Person of the Year. It is Joe Biden, new president of America. 153. World's first satellite-based narrow-band Internet of Things (NB-IoT) service has been launched by BSNL. World's first satellite-based narrow-band Internet of Things. The International Universal Health Coverage Day is observed on 12th December. Asian Development Bank has launched the Asia Pacific Vaccine Access Facility (APVAX). How much amount has been earmarked? $9 billion. 156. The India Water Impact Summit IWIS 2020 is which edition of the annual event? 5th. The International Bharati Festival 2020 was held to celebrate the 138th birth anniversary of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, Tamil Nadu, who was an eminent writer, poet and journalist. From which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. The UN International Day of Neutrality is marked on which day? The answer is 12th December. What is the theme of International Universal Health Coverage Day 2020? Health for all, protect everyone. 160. With which bank did ICICI Prudential make a bank assurance partnership recently? Answer is RBL Bank. We'll stop with this. We'll continue balance in the next. Thank you.